Hey guys, I got a new yo-yo from Yo-Yo Sam, so I just wanted to do an unboxing. Let's take a look. Okay, so first up, this is the Snoopy collection. I'm pretty sure this is, this is Duncan, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, but it was sold by Yo-Yo Sam. That's kind of how they do it. And then there's, I think, the looping yo-yo. These are really cool, guys. And so, yeah. Empty this out. We have less war, more yo-yo. Let us help you save. This funny. And then there's this Yo-Yo Sam sticker. Okay, now let's get to the yo-yos. First up, we have like a Duncan butterfly yo-yo. Let's unpackage this. It's fun to do these videos because then it's fun to unbox on camera sometimes. I might need scissors. Do you have like scissors? Yeah. And also, I'm just filming this right after Northeast Regionals, which was fun because I won the sport division. It was like 9 and under.
I'll get you really scissors.
Yeah. Wait, some of it Think smarter, not harder. Guess that's true. Think smarter, not harder.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. Less, more yo-yo.
That's great.
This yo-yo's so tight. Can you like the strings out? Meanwhile, let's open this. Scissors. These are very cool yo-yos.
I just used a little
Pen, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you hold that up for us?
Sure. Then we have another looping yo-yo too.
Snoopy.
Yeah.
We love Snoopy.
Yeah, Snoopy's always fun to watch. Yeah. These are really cool yo-yos. I think these just came out, right?
Yep. Just release.
Bro. I have to get this straightened out. Bruh.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can hardly even see it.
Okay.
Yeah. And after we do all the yo-yos out, I'm gonna do a little test throw.
Sounds a little damaged.
Yeah. Also some extra string. Yeah.
Huh. This one's a hard one.
Wait, I have a good idea.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Do these not come? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. There you go. What? There
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, now I'm gonna do a little test throw, so I'll probably stop the clip and then do it at like a different angle just so I have more room. See you in a sec. Okay, first up, this looping yo-yo. First up, you have to try loops. It's what the yo-yo's meant for. Let's see if we can do some basic tricks like around the corner. Oh wait. It's a really tricky, responsive trick. Bro. Okay. What should we do? Let's do. Someone asked to go to France because I have an Eiffel Tower here. Let's see. What about the Jamaican flag? A lot of these tricks are the ones I learned right when I started because they're responsive tricks. Now let's do some looping, and then we're gonna go on to the next yo-yo. So hard. Half the battle is just returning the yo-yo, so I'll just do it like this. Wait, really quickly, let's just do like the UFO. Bro. I haven't done these responsive tricks in a while, that's why I'm kind of bad at them right now. Kind of. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the other looping yo-yo. I'm gonna do this one quick just since it's basically the same yo-yo, but let's just see if we can find any differences. Oh wait, I think this one is meant for looping because like it comes straight back. Like or maybe I'm just throwing it too hard. Also, basic trick and fun trick around the world. Okay, I'm gonna try something with two yo-yos. So I'm just gonna grab the other responsive when I try something. So I'm not that good at it, but I'm decent at least. So yeah. Let's see if I can do this. Wait. I can hardly even do. Wait, maybe if I just like. Yeah, I don't think I do. I was gonna try and do looping with two yo-yos, but I don't think I can. But just for fun, let's try it one more time. Why not? I need better reflexes. But yeah, I don't think that works. So let's go on to the next yo-yo. So this is the butterfly yo-yo, Snoopy. This is probably my personal favorite. These butterfly yo-yos are meant for modern, like some modern tricks that were invented, like the trapeze, double or nothing, but not like unresponsive tricks like. Yeah. Let me just see if I can do the DNA. I know it's dumb, but like. I was gonna try and do a cheat code, but it didn't work. Okay. Around the world has to work. Around the world. around the world. Whoa. So now since I finished doing some tricks, I'm just gonna do some ratings. So first off, this butterfly yo-yo, I think this is a 9 out of 10 because I really like the design and how it plays for a butterfly yo-yo. Like, I know a lot of butterfly yo-yos are really similar, but this one kind of sticks out. I don't know, but yeah. So this one is probably 9 out of 10. Next up, we have the looping yo-yos. These I'll probably give like 7.5, just because I know that they're looping yo-yos, but like it kind of failed like with the sleeper when I did around the world and stuff. But like overall, pretty good. You know what? I'll probably bump it up to 8 actually. But in terms of like what the yo-yo is meant for, it's pretty good. So that's why I'm giving it an 8. And then the other yo-yo, basically the same, but I didn't know why we shouldn't rate it. I kind of like this one too. I'd probably give it an 8 also, just because like I couldn't really find any differences between the two. Like the sleeper time is around the same. I think the other one plays slightly better in my opinion, but yeah. So that's my final rating. So out of 30, so 8 plus 8, 16 plus 9, 25. So this gets a final rating of 25 out of 30. These were really fun yo-yos to unbox, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.